Model 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro Dynamic S145 Blueinjection L2H1 start-stop VAT included. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 87,314. First MOT due the 31st of March 2025. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FDDU 106 kW 6 DSS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Very well looked after van, and first to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, cruise control. EU status: